Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to solve for this problem where we need to calculate that how high is the table. Now if we are going to carefully analyze the picture, we can see that on the left hand side we have a bird on the top of the table, and under the table there is a dog, and the distance from the head of the bird to the head of the dog is given as 130 centimeter. And on the right hand side there is a dog on the table and the bird under the table, and again the distance from the head of the dog to the head of the bird is given as 170 centimeter. Now we need to calculate the height of the table. Now for that we are going to use an algebraic approach. Let's see how we are going to do so. Let us take the height of the table as t, and taking the height of the bird as b, and the height of the dog as d. Now, if we see the left hand side, we can see a bird on the top of the table. So from the head of the bird to the top of the table, this height is b. And this entire height can be represented as the height of the table, right? So what we can do, we can equate this. Equating the left hand side, what we are going to get, this distance b plus t would be equal to this height of the dog, that is d, and this 130. So I can write it as d plus 130. Now if I'm going to take the d on another side, I will be getting b plus t minus d is equal to 130. Let's say this is my first equation. Now if I see on the right hand side, a dog is sitting on the table and his height is d, right? So can I write this much height as d? And from here to the base of the table, this much height is going to represent by t. And I can equate this d plus t is same as this b, that is the height of the bird, and this height, that is 170. So can I write it as d plus t is equal to b plus 170. Now if I'm going to take the b on another side, this will be d plus t minus b is equals to 170. Considering this as my second equation, now if I'm going to add these two equations, what I'm going to get, let's see. First equation was b plus t minus d is equals to 130, and the second equation was d plus t minus b is equals to 170. Now if I add both of these equations, this b, positive b, this negative b, they are going to cancel out. Similarly, this positive d and this negative d, they are also going to cancel out. What I'm going to get, t plus t will give me 2t, and here 130 plus 170 will give me 300. So what is going to be the t? T is going to be 300 by 2, which on simplification will give me t as 150. So the height of the table is going to be 150 centimeter. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.